guys, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बहू चलाती टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टू मेक लाइफ सिंपलर एंड इजियर। लेकिन आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि मैं वैलेंटाइंस डे पे क्या कर रही हूँ। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विशिंग ऑल माय व्यूअर्स अ वेरी हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे। And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Shoppers Drug Mart. I'm going to select something for myself क्योंकि मैं Valentine's पे अपने आप को कुछ गिफ्ट करना चाहती हूँ. I think it's really important to pamper yourself once in a while and that's what exactly I'm going to do. लेकिन I will also give you a tour of how Shoppers Drug Mart looks like so that you can see what it is and what are the things that I'd like to share with them. In Shoppers Drug Mart, usually you find a lot of things which are above the normal price. So they're kind of overpriced, but when they're selling off or clearing their stock, then they have amazing prices, and also they have a good collection of everything that you might want. So in an emergency situation, it's a perfect place to go to get anything like quick bite or some jewelry or some gifts or some knickknacks or sometimes even cosmetics and perfumes. So without any ado, let's get started. If you're wondering what this sound is all about, it's the wind. Can you see that move? That's how cold it is. But that's how determined I am to get my own Valentine's Day gift. So here I go out in this freezing cold temperature just to get my Valentine's Day gift. So it's -8 at the moment and it feels like -16. But as you can see, I'm very determined to go shop for myself. And क्यों ना हो, it's right under my house wherever I want to go. तो इतना तो बनता है. अब कनाडा आ ही गए हैं तो ठंड सहने की थोड़ी सी आदत तो डाल ही लेते. तो I'm right opposite the building that I'm heading to. So I'm going to the Shoppers Drug Mart and also going to show you how it looks like. So there are 3 stores together. The Joe Fresh, the Shoppers Drug Mart and the Loblaws. That's where we're heading to. So I'm here at the Shoppers Drug Mart. And I'm going to walk you through what it looks like. This is the entrance. You usually have good discounts and points running here. This is the bread and standard section. Here you have a lot of frozen stuff. Mostly all of this is on a very good discount when it is, so you should always pick it up. This is some ready to eat stuff. Some cleaning supplies, packing material, and of course toilet paper. This is slightly more expensive than loblaws. Going to the next aisle. Here you have drinks, pet food, cleaning supplies, cookies, biscuits and chocolates. इसके बिना तो गुजारा ही नहीं है ना. And chips. Lot of snacking items here and there. Moving to the next aisle. Wow, this is the Valentine's special. A lot of gifts and cards, chocolates mostly. You can see a lot of stuff out here. Pantry stuff, baby food, baby supplies, and there's a gross pharmacy also obviously here. So because it's a pharmacy, you always obviously have pharmaceutical supplies. There is all that you might need. Everything that you need actually, with plenty of options. And moving on to some gifts, some cards, some soft toys. And then you can see on top you have hair care and skincare products. Let's walk you through these skincare products. And hair care products. Some pain relief, band-aid, and some more fancy sections.
Your 20 times the points offer is waiting for you. Load your one-time offer right now with your mobile device and get 20 times the points today. Simply open your PC.
Look out for the discounts.
Log into your account at PCOptimum.ca. Once your offer closes, shop with your PC Optimum card and get 20 times the points. Exclusive offer. Restrictions apply. See cashier for details.
And I totally love this store. And then you have the cosmetics. All the cosmetics that you can think of. In fact, it's a full aisle. Yeah. 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 Lot of them, yeah. Lot of them. You're totally lost with so many choices of everything around here, this place. It's kind of overwhelming. But yes, look for the discounts and definitely make most out of them. They have a fancy section for perfumes as well. And some high-end cosmetics. Okay, so there's so much of makeup and I don't use any. So now let's get to the part where I pick my Valentine's Day gift. And that is gonna be here. So they have a lot of jewelry from Joe Fresh, which I totally love. You can see these earrings are so beautiful. Neck pieces, bracelets. I feel like getting all of them, but that's not possible, right? So I'm going to pick up my gift from here. So guys, I'm all done. I have got my gift and also as usual ऐसी जगह पे जाओ तो दूध और ब्रेड और अंडे तो पिकअप कर ही लेते हो. So got all my basics. और मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ घर पहुँच के, क्योंकि बाहर हो रही है बहुत ठंड और अब मेरे हाथ में आ गया गिफ्ट तो मुझे लग रही है ज़्यादा ठंड. तो मैं आपको घर जाके दिखाऊंगी what did I buy for myself. So guys, मैं घर आ गई हूँ और ये है जो मैंने अपने लिए वैलेंटाइंस डे गिफ्ट खरीदे हैं. These are 3 amazing cute little earrings from Joe Fresh and they are very cute. एक तो ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है जो पूरे ईयर के लिए है, बहुत ही क्यूट है ये. और ये मेरे गो टू हैं फॉर एवर. तो मैं कुछ भी पहनती हूँ. ये काफ़ी लाइट वेट हैं और मुझे लाइट वेट बहुत पसंद है. सो दिस इज़ अनदर अमेजिंग थिंग जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है और ये मुझे बहुत ही क्यूट लगे. और आप इसको ध्यान से देखिए तो इसमें 2 जिरकॉन स्टोन्स हैं और ये बहुत क्यूटली आपके ईयर्स पे स्टे करेंगे. सो दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी क्यूट. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई गॉट माई सेल्फ फॉर वैलेंटाइंस डे. Guys, I hope you like my gifts and this is what I did for my Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments what did you like. If you have some experiences about shoppers, if you'd like me to go to some other store to show you around, make sure you subscribe to my channel for such vlogs, some informative tips and tricks that will make your life in Canada simpler and easier. Till next time, this is your Tech Book signing off.